Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Sephora haul. I am excited for this one. I can't believe I already hauled this stuff because Sephora is doing a surprise sale for all beauty insiders. VIB Rouge gets that 20% off, VIB gets 15% off, and insiders get 10% off. I am going to make a recommendation video of products that I really want. I might split it into two. Products I would repurchase and like new products or products I've been eyeing that I would like to try. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you're subscribed, and if you're new, hello. Make sure you're on notifications to be notified for future videos. Let's jump in. Okay, these are the OLAPLEX number 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. OLAPLEX has a product for like your split ends, your dead ends. I tried it and amazing. I think I just have so much hair, dead hair, might I add, right now that I can't tell a difference. And plus I need a new bottle anyway, that might help, but I need a haircut. I could probably chop off almost 10 inches and call it a day. I just like maintaining my long hair. So when I saw that they came out with a shampoo and conditioner, so excited. It says repairs, straightens, and hydrates all hair types. I have thick, wavy hair. It is dry like the Sahara Desert. It is a mane like Mufasa. So I'm really excited to try these out. I know they're small and they're a little pricey. I think you definitely get what you paid for. Really excited to see this brand expand. The next product is the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I almost passed on this palette. I'm so glad I didn't because she is beautiful. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. We can do some quick swatches. We have shimmers on top, mattes on bottom. Let's go on ahead. And they're very creamy, buttery. Ooh, yes. So this one is Dreamer. Oh yeah. This one is Summer. Summer's coming to an end. This next one is Wild Child. And then we have Rose Gold. Ooh, Rose Gold, yes. Very pigmented, super smooth, went on easy. And I'm barely even touching the pans. So this one, we have Celestial. We have Dazzling. Ooh, really like Dazzling. And Drama. That one was the chalkiest out of all the shimmers. So that's what they look like. I definitely think Dazzling, Rose Gold, and Summer were my favorites. I could see those as being just applying them all over to your eyelid, putting on some eyeliner and mascara, and calling it a day. Sometimes you're just in a rush in those mornings. I feel you. All right, we're gonna go into the bottom row. I just love this palette. I think it's a good combination of just mattes and shimmers. And I can see, you know, Western looks, good catamounts, and just everyday looks. All right, we got Base. Ooh, that one's pretty. We have Soul. That's pretty. We have Incense. And we have Love. Ooh, I'm really digging Love because like I'm really living for pinks lately. I've been trying to find some good pink lipsticks like the one I have on my lips right now. I don't really wear pinks or nudes. I normally just wear reds, plums. Oh, these are pretty. These are fall. Oh yes, let's swatch. So this is Volatile. That just is like, hello, I am fall, I am here. We have Eccentric. And then we have Passion. Yes, Passion. Yes. All right, and these are the mattes swatched. I am living for this palette. I think it's a good year-round palette. I think I'm just overly excited for this because it just screams fall is here. Fall is here to stay. I want cold weather now. So the next product, super excited for this too. JOUER is now at Sephora. I have not tried any JOUER products until now. This is my first JOUER purchase. I've been wanting to try JOUER for a long time now. I don't know if any other store carries it, but Sephora does. Like I said, trying to find some nudes and pinks. I picked up this set. It was cute. We're gonna do some swatches. Really excited for these lip products. I haven't tried any of them. I see it all over Instagram and I'm living for it. I'm always scared to try like an indie brand because sometimes their website return policy states, you know, no refunds, and I'm just afraid that if I buy something I'm not gonna like it. This is the JOUER Longwear Cream Lip Liner in shade Nude. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, very precise application. There we go. Beautiful. Living for it. It was very creamy. I already have makeup on, so I'm not gonna try it. This is their liquid lip in the shade Au Naturel. Oh my gosh. It's so moussey. Yes, living for it. I'm afraid sometimes like when nudes, like it turns up orange on me, but I feel like this is gonna turn up more pink. And this is like a lip topper in the shade Stardust. Ooh, girl. Bam, add some sparkle to it. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I love it. I'm obsessed and I cannot wait to try this on my lips. So I already opened up one of these products and it's the OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream. I love this stuff. This is like the first eye cream I truly love. And thank you, Megan, for introducing me to this brand, this product. It has become a holy grail for me, so I needed to get more. Oh, so good. It's just so hydrating, and with my dark circles making a comeback, it has just been rough. My eyes have needed a little TLC. It really helps hydrate, under eye, like the bags, under control. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, the next product is the Makeup Forever Super Matte Loose Powder. I normally use Laura Mercier. This had really good reviews. It's not white. A lot of the setting powders are translucent, has like a little color to it. It is shade 12. Kind of matches my skin tone and my foundation right now, because I know they had like other shades in their range. Really excited to see how this works out in comparison to my Laura Mercier. It's always hard to find a really good setting powder. It was like the Weekly Wow. This was also part of the Weekly Wow. It's the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. I got one of these in my July BoxyCharm. Loved it. Love Dr. Brandt. Love the product. So I wanted to buy it back up because it was on sale. Because it was on sale. Logic. But I know I'm gonna go through this really quick because it is helping so much. I've been using the one I got in BoxyCharm nonstop. It also comes with like a really good set online as well. I was thinking about getting the set, and literally like the next day for the Weekly Wow, this was it. So I was like, well, it's meant to be. Okay, and the last product is this Lancer The Method Polish for normal combination skin. It is an exfoliator. I have never tried anything from this brand, but for an exfoliator to be $75, and it was half off because it was a Weekly Wow as well, I wanted to try it. I wanted to see what the hype was about. I love exfoliating. My favorite ones are the Kate Somerville and the OLEHENRIKSEN Walnut Scrub as well. I've actually ran out of the OLEHENRIKSEN Walnut Scrub. I was gonna buy a new bottle, but this is a little bit bigger and it was a couple dollars more when it went on sale for $35. So I was like, I'm gonna try it. Open it up. It had like almost like a full 5-star rating. Really excited. This brand is a lot pricier than like most of the brands that I buy on a day-to-day basis, like OLEHENRIKSEN, but it has really good reviews. So this is the first product I'm gonna try. I'm really excited. There's a bunch of other products that this brand carries that have caught my eye. I kind of put them on my wish list or like the love on Sephora's website. Perhaps I will try another product during the 20% off sale. Might just try this maybe tonight because I haven't washed my face for the night yet, and see how it works, kind of get a feel how this brand performs. I know it's really hard to judge a brand by just one product. And then the only things left in my box are some samples. So the first sample is the Laura Mercier Eye Color Crayon in the shade Amethyst. Let's swatch. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. Oh yes. Okay, a really nice mauve brown for the fall. I'm living for it. Another sample that I got is the Mirrored Acne Control Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. I have been seeing this floating around Instagram for like the past couple days, so I really wanted to try it out for myself. Better to try it in a sample size before committing. The next product is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. A lot of people have been telling me about this foundation. I haven't tried it yet. Ooh, this shade looks really light for me. All right, well, I might try it out as a concealer. The next sample I have is the Clinique Blackhead Solution Scrub. I love Clinique face products. Clinique was like the first prestige skincare that I used when I was in college and I bought myself. I was so proud of myself because I bought it myself. So this is what it looks like. There it goes. It says 7 days. I don't know if I can get 7 uses out of it or if it's just called 7 day, but excited to try that. I love, like I said, I love Clinique products. They perform so well. And the last sample is the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Queen Bee. I love this Too Faced formula liquid lipsticks. Let's see how the shade works out for me. I'm a little nervous. Oh wait, no, it's pretty. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I think it goes well with this Norvina palette. So this was my haul. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a thumbs up if you like Sephora hauls or just hauls in general. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel before you leave. Thank you for watching and have a good day. See you in the next video.